Medyo nakakaiyak yung araw na to, guys. Dahil nagcha-chop tayo ng sibuyas. We are going to cook veg biryani for our lunch. Aray. 3 malalaking sibuyas kasi itong hinihiwa ko. Kasi masarap sa biryani, maraming sibuyas. Ready na yung aking mga ingredients for the veg biryani. So ito, soya chunks and paneer or yung cottage cheese. Marinated na siya with yogurt. Kanina ko pa nilagay dyan. And yung ating green peas, ating soaked rice, sibuyas, and ginger garlic paste. I think I'm also going to add potato, cubes na potato. So, mayroon tayong dagdag dyan. Anyway, magigisa pa naman ako ng sibuyas. Nakalimutan guys, cumin seed. Lagay na lang natin siya dyan sa kilod. Paubos na yung aming ginger garlic paste. Green peas. Lagay ko na yung ating marinated paneer and soya chunks. And dahil yung aking rice, 2 cups ito. So, yung tubig na ilalagay ko, 4 cups. Ito natin ilagay. 2 cups muna, guys. Para makuha ko lang yung ating marinade dito sa ating bowl. Dito na tayo mag-adjust ng ating salt. Dagdag ako 1 more tablespoon black pepper. Dagdag. Try natin yung sabaw kung okay na yung ating salt. Close natin.
At this time, we are going to check the visa status on the website. We've been waiting for this moment for days. Unfortunately, the audio didn't record, so you won't be able to hear our actual reaction. But trust me, we are really, really happy. Because finally, Abhi and Mishka's visas got approved. After all the waiting, it's finally here.
Actually, yung fambam is stress din eh. Kasi naghihintay kami ng visa. Nasi-stress din sila. Stress lahat ng members ng family namin, guys. Show mommy the picture. So, kailangan namin ngayon umalis. Mga remaining na kailangan naming i-process before yung pag-alis namin, 11:35. Sila na yung bahala kay Mishka magsundo. Another good news, guys. Dumating na yung passport ni Aaron G and ni Honey. So, they're also ready to fly. Ready to fly.
I'm ready to fly Philippines. First, I will come Philippines. After that, another country.
Same day na na-approve yung visa nila ni Abhi. Same day din dumating yung kanilang passport. Very good timing. 2 blessings in a day. Merong mga flag sila na nilagay dito ngayon sa aming park, guys. Kasi bukas ay festival, Ram Navami. And merong orange flag in celebration sa kanilang festival bukas. May 3 kids with Aaron J. Andyan sa baba because they're waiting for this school fee vendor. Ayun na yung nagtitinda. Parang ice buko sa atin ba? Yung kanilang tinatawag na kulfi. Aaron G, this is your party. Passport party. Celebration. Hindi ko lang mag-gets yung flavor niya. Vanilla siguro ito na may pagka light orange yung color. Earlier, when we received the approval for the visa, ngayon ko lang nakita na yung audio pala ay hindi gumagana kasi naka-connect yung microphone and hindi ko ginamit yung microphone namin kanina. So, walang audio. Yung mga clips namin kanina nung pag-check namin ng visa ni Abhi. But anyway, guys, we are so happy. And finally, the visa that we have been waiting for from last week ay andito na. So now we can relax. We can inhale, exhale. Abhi is just ordering ingredients for our pasta for tonight. Celebration ng aming visa approval. So actually, for me guys, I'm excited to go home. And this past few days, it's been kind of stressful for us waiting for the visa. So for me, I'm excited because I'll be going home after 4 years. And for Abhi, he is going to the Philippines after 7-8 years. 2019.
7.5 years.
Yes. So medyo double-double yung excitement sa kanya. And stress was also double this past few days for him.
The first time after marriage.
Yes. And after marriage, it's kinda important for them to visit their in-laws' house. And this is the first time that he will be visiting his in-laws in the Philippines. Kasi
I'll be meeting your brothers.
yeah.
Last time, none of them were there.
No.
Toto was also not there.
Yeah. So this will be the first time that you will be meeting my brothers.
Yeah.
So yung na-meet lang niya last time was papa, mama, my sister, nephews.
Yeah.
But my brothers weren't there. So this time, and thank God guys, this time na pag-uwi namin, we are all complete. Everyone is there already. We're the only missing piece. So nothing to worry now.
Yeah.
Except for some
Just watch us.
excess baggage.
Yeah.
We'll see.
Just keep watching us. Give us more views, more love. So we can stay little longer in Philippines and explore more.
Time, and maybe next
And
time.
maybe next time soon. Yeah.
Yes. Hopefully, guys. We are all excited. His family here are excited for him to go Philippines.
But they are kind of worried also because of this
yes.
crisis, energy crisis, all those
especially-
things. And in news, it is kind of exaggerated here. So that is also one thing. Our flights got cancelled, so that additional burden came on us. So that's why all those things, they are scared that
What if you will get stuck in the
stuck.
Philippines?
And again, because whatever things are getting cancelled, so new bookings, again, you have to rethink for the budget, everything. That is one thing you have to keep in mind. So all those things, they are kind of worried. But anyways, everything will be good only.
Okay,
Fish
we will
masala
miss.
more I have to bring. I think everything is sorted. Only my fish masala is left.
And for your friends.
For your friends, our friends like some pasalubong for Geraldine, Claudine, and
Gusto talaga ni Abby dalhan yung mga friends
Eunice,
namin.
and
It,
Mitch.
they
This
are the
for
friends.
Alex.
They are my friends who became his friends na very supportive during our LDR days.
5 of them too I can count, like Mitch, Alex, Claudine, and Geraldine, and your college or work friend Eunice.
No,
5.
Eunice was also my college friend.
College, in work also you guys
Yeah,
are
we
together.
are all friends together, Han. Eunice, Geraldine,
But
we're together.
during your college, I was not talking to Eunice that much.
Yeah,
But I
during
was like
work
chatting.
days.
You were more close to Eunice because you both were together.
Yeah,
So
we were
kind of
working
like
together.
during your college, I was chatting to because they became my friend Claudine, Geraldine. 2 of them were like that.
Yeah, they will message Abhi like
Of
something
course,
because every day.
Mitch
will
was
message.
also there, but Claudine, Geraldine, and sometimes Alex.
There are people, who will bash you. Why Indians? Why you're chatting with an Indian boy? He will just cheat on you. But they are my kind of friends who are very supportive ever since.
So from day one, I have been chatting, and I know these names.
Yes. College days.
Yeah.
Anyway, is it there?
Come.
I will prepare the pasta. Sabi ko kay Abhi, hindi na ako magluluto ng rice. Ito na yung magiging hapunan namin ni Mishka. I love pasta, spaghetti, yung Filipino style natin na spaghetti. And I can eat that with rice. But these days, I've been craving for Desi style pasta. Yung kung paano si Hani nagluluto ng pasta sila ni Abhi. Yun yung gusto kong kainin. This is my homemade tomato sauce na frozen.
Half you put now. Half.
I have also added this pizza and pasta sauce. Oopsie. Let's add the remaining magic masala. Ito yung ginagamit ko na serum from last 4-5 months na ata. And sobrang effective siya para sa akin. So, tinry ko siya first time and then parang okay naman siya. So, kinontinue ko na hanggang ngayon. May-notice ko na very rare na lang ako nagkaka-pimples dahil sa serum na to. Wala na akong ibang ginagamit pa guys. Pag umaga na lang, minsan kapag lumalabas, sa sunscreen ako. Pero aside from this, wala na akong ginagamit sa gabi. Ito lang siya. The Derma 10% niacinamide face serum for acne marks. Ito yung pinili ko kasi meron talagang times before na grabe yung pimples ko. So, meron ako mga pimple marks, ganon. So, I have tried this. Kasi marami siyang ibang types ng serum. Meron siyang for active acne. Ano pa ba yung iba? For vitamin C something, glowing skin. Tapos yung pinili ko, ito for acne marks. Sobrang effective siya. If na-notice nyo, sobrang dalang na lang ako ngayon nagkaka-pimples guys because of this. So nag-ready na kami ng para sa dadalhin namin sa Pilipinas. Si Abhi yung nag-order ng mga gagamitin namin para sa aming bakasyon. So ito, nag-order na siya ng isa. Hey, this is bigger. Mas malaki na yung in-order niya pala sa akin. And then, yung aking favorite na lip tint. Abby is very ready for our vacation. He ordered this Ultra Sheer Dry Touch Sunblock. And then si Mishka meron din. Hindi ko lang mahanap kasi nalagay na sa maleta. Meron din sabi in-order na sunblock for Mishka para ready for the swimming. And eto, actually, last pa to namin na stock na hindi pa siya nabubuksan. So, I think dadalhin namin to. This is Mishka's body wash. Actually, nung newborn si Mishka, we were using Cetaphil. And then, there were times that we are using Sebamed. And then, yung napa-convince kami kay Sebamed is yung kanilang rash cream na sobrang effective nung baby si Mishka, guys. Like mga mosquito bite or minsan may mga rashes siya. The Sebamed cream is really effective. Nung medyo lumaki-laki na si Mishka, we have stopped buying Cetaphil body wash and Cetaphil na shampoo. We started buying her Sebamed na gentle wash and yung shampoo. Even if Mishka is already 5 years old, ayaw ni Abhi na mag-change si Mishka ng shampoo and body wash. So, until now, Mishka is still using Sebamed. And a lot of you were asking kung ano yung shampoo ni Mishka kasi sobrang silky ng kanyang hair, sobrang soft as in ang lambot, tapos bagsak na maitim ba. Most of you were asking kung ano yung shampoo ni Mishka. Actually, Sebamed lang na shampoo. Simula nung baby siya hanggang ngayon. And then, pag ako yung nagpapaligo sa kanya, nilalagyan ko ng conditioner yung baba ng kanyang buhok. Pero pag si Ab, hindi niya nilalagyan. Kasi gusto niya, natural lang. Ayaw niya yung mga chemical daw na ilagay sa buhok ni Mishka. So, ready yung ating mga cosmetics for our trip. Natanong ko siya kung ano yung ginagawa niya. Nag-check daw siya ng lotion ni Mishka kasi o-order siya. Kasi yung sa lotion naman ni Mishka, guys, yung Cetaphil baby pa din yung pinapagamit namin sa kanya. Sobrang konti na lang, pang ilang days na lang ba. So sabi ni Avi, bibili na siya. And he's thinking that if we are going to buy in the Philippines, it will be more costly. And here in India, if we are buying online, merong mga discount. He feels like it's cheaper to buy here in India and then we'll carry it to the Philippines kasi mas feeling niya mas mahal daw yung mga bilihin sa Pilipinas. You wanna show us the magic? Okay, show me. Ooh. Good. You know how to balance. Meron siyang bubo dito.
Right?
Lay it aside. This one. Yan. Kita niyo ba? This one. You hit Mitty's head earlier, right? Nagkabanggaan silang dalawa. Dito yung sa kanya, yung kay Mitty dito. Where? Show me. Can you see that? This one? Yes. Oh no. We'll say goodnight to them because it's nighttime.
Good night, Daddy Buddy. Like, subscribe in our channel in morning time. We dare to meet you, Tita and Tito. So bye-bye. Have a good night's sleep and a good dream. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Sweet dreams.
Sweet dreams and have a good dreams. And bye-bye, Tita and Lulu and Tito. And bye-bye, Lula and Lulu.
Good night.
Good night, Lula and Lulu.